What's going on, guys? Riley here. Today we're with Julia. Hi.
Hey.
And today we're going to be letting her drive the Inferno Gato, and we'll see how this goes. So we're starting this video off at a gas station because where else would you go if you had a Hellcat? Gotta turn that off. So it's 79 degrees outside, not a cloud in the sky. And what is this, February 4th?
Yeah.
So it's basically 80 degrees in February. Welcome to Texas. But we're gonna go over some basics, some stuff that you need to know before you get behind the wheel of this thing. Now, Julia has driven this car one time. I'm gonna actually close this. It's probably better. Julia has driven this car one time. It was for like probably 8 minutes and didn't really do anything. So today, she's gonna send it, I think. And it's my job to make sure we're safe when she is sending it. So I'm gonna start you off in this mode, which is just normal mode and everything. So you'll have traction control. So if you floor it, we're doing 43 right now. See it? It'll move a little bit, but it's not gonna get like super crazy on you.
Okay.
If I turn traction control off, that's when things will get.
Do that.
Yeah, we'll leave it on. But that's when things might get a little bit like, ooh, but
Okay.
you'll be fine. Well, I'd say this is just about a, oh, there's a, what is this, a Lotus?
He just gave you a thumbs up.
Okay. That was kind of cool.
That was like the third spotting today.
That guy in the Lotus just gave me a thumbs up. Who would have thought a Lotus guy would appreciate a Hellcat?
Okay.
Oh no. All right, so we're on some lovely back roads today. This will give you a good test of both the cornering abilities and the straight line abilities. I'll be your host, RP Productions. Go ahead and take a left and then just send it. No, just kidding. Don't send it yet. All right, Jules. So the fastest car you've ever driven was the Scat Pack, right?
Up until now, yeah.
Yeah. So what do you think about this as compared to any other car you've ever driven?
Well, it goes really fast whenever I hit the accelerator.
Well, you haven't done that yet.
Well, I know. But it's pretty zoomy.
Zoomy.
Yeah, well, but why does it make that noise in the front every time I accelerate?
It's the supercharger. The supercharger whine.
But like, so yeah, whenever you hit the gas, it like roars at you. So you just go like, it like roars at you whenever you accelerate. You don't feel like you're like flying whenever you like go around a corner really fast, as to where my car, if you go around a corner fast, everything in the car will fly this way.
Yeah, well, that's the difference in a Jeep and a car.
Yeah.
Are you comfy?
Yeah, it's actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah. Could you do long road trips and be just fine?
Yeah, I always ask you to go driving.
Yeah, you do. All right, take a left here, and then you should be able to have a nice little opening as long as this guy didn't turn.
The brakes are pretty sensitive, but I felt like the Scat Pack brakes were a lot more sensitive than these are.
Yeah, they're pretty touchy. Now, are you ready to send it?
Yeah, is it gonna move?
It'll move a little bit, but you'll be fine. And like I said, if you get scared, just let off.
Okay.
All right, go for it.
Floor it?
Yep. There you go.
That was fun.
Good job. See, traction control doesn't make it where you can get too sideways, but it'll move around a little bit on you. I'm proud of you for not letting out. Good job.
That was fun. Can I do it again?
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh no.
I hope I don't get pulled over.
Yeah, me too. That'd be a hefty fine.
Yeah. He told me to do it.
Yeah, you would, but I'll split movie.
How do you make the crackly sound?
So the left one, hit it.
Right now?
Yep. Hit it again. Wait, what does it Say 3, 2. Okay, now get on the gas and let off. There you go.
Like that?
See?
Oh, okay. Now what do I do?
One more time. Hit it. Just hit it. You're so hesitant. Okay, now hold the right paddle. Just hold it for like a few seconds. Now you're good.
Okay.
Why does that stress you out so much?
I don't know.
Is it the sound or like?
It doesn't sound like it's running properly. It sounds like I'm gonna break it.
I want you to attempt to floor it from a stop.
Oh,
But
gosh.
you and I both know that you can't just floor it. But I want you to try to accelerate as quick as you can from a stop.
Okay.
If you floor it, it's just gonna spin, and you won't go anywhere.
Okay.
So let's see what you can do.
Okay. You mean what your car can do?
Okay. That actually wasn't that bad.
Now I'm making you scared.
Hey, that was better than Dane. Okay. Let's just save his tires a little bit, I guess.
What do you mean?
Because Dane just floored it, so we just did a rolling burnout.
Oh.
But he had traction control off, so.
Wait, so how did I do?
I mean, pretty good. You know, sat there and kind of bounced it off the rev limiter a couple of times, which I didn't know it would do.
It can make going to the grocery store more exciting.
Yeah, that's why I own one.
Yeah.
Makes everything more exciting. Going to get a haircut.
Like, hey babe,
exciting.
can I drive your car? I'm gonna make us tacos tonight.
Getting tacos, exciting. Like this one doubles as transportation, and it also doubles as the biggest toy for a man that you could get. Or
Well, yeah, I mean, like, it's fun, but at the same time, I would be completely fine the rest of my life if we were both driving Jeep Wranglers.
I wouldn't be fine with that.
Well, I would.
Don't get me wrong, I like Wranglers, but I also like cars.
I know you do, but, like, just for me,
You can't go send it on a back road with a Wrangler. You'll flip.
I know.
No
Like,
fun.
I could just drive a Toyota Corolla for the rest of my life and be fine.
Suit yourself.
They're actually pretty nice now. I don't
Yeah,
know if
they
you've
are.
ever seen the new ones.
No, they are. We saw them at the auto show.
Oh yeah, I saw. That's when I sent you the text. I was like, I would drive a Kia, like the new Kia, not the sports car one, but like
The one that Zach and Kyle were in.
Yeah.
Hey boys.
Bet you won't honk the horn.
This is our new family sedan. It gets 24 mpg, lovely leather seats. It's white leather, no stains.
Like, I liked it. I liked the sports car one too, though. It was 4-door.
Yeah.
Like, I would drive that. Like, it was nice.
Do you want to feel it with traction control off on the first setting? No? Okay. Would you autocross this car?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, guess we're going to do an autocross event
Woo.
in a Hellcat.
That'll be fun. And you can't really mess up. All you can do is hit the cones, right?
You can mess up.
But you can, like, you can't hit any cars. You can only hit the cones, right?
I mean, if you really messed up, you could hit another
Would you
car.
be mad if I hit a cone?
No, because I put you in that situation.
Okay.
You wouldn't autocross this car if it wasn't for me, so.
That's true. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Go!
Straighten it out. So you've been behind the wheel for probably 30 minutes now.
Yes.
What do you think?
It's fun.
You like it?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you still wouldn't have to have one, Mrs. Well, I could be fine with a Wrangler or Corolla, but
Yeah.
you at least enjoy it.
Yeah, I enjoy it. I mean, who wouldn't enjoy it?
Now, even though this has been slightly nerve-wracking for me a little bit, I think this is something good to do for all of you guys out there with either girlfriend, fiance, or wife, or whatever. I know a lot of people are like, I would never let so-and-so drive my car. But I think it's good to, let your significant other or friends or whatever experience your car. Because let's say in the event that I got injured somehow and we had to go to the hospital, if that was her first time driving this car, it'd probably be a little bit scary.
I feel like it's a nice trust building exercise too.
Yeah, instead of like falling, it's here's my Hellcat.
Yeah.
Here's the red
Here's
key.
the red key, the ultimate trust.
But I think this car, I've let more people drive my Hellcat than I have with any other car, because I don't know.
You never let anyone drive your Scat Pack. You were like, no way, Jose.
No, and I really don't know why. I mean, I don't know. Now, I guess my mentality's kind of changed now. It's like, I want people to experience this. I want to share it with others.
My tire already hit my front splitter, so Julia, go ahead. You can't do much more damage.
Yeah, it's already, yeah, send it.
So how scared were you during this video?
I really wasn't too scared except for a couple times. One time in particular, you were doing a pull for longer than I thought you would, and I got a little bit nervous towards the end of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, but other than that, I was pretty good, fine. Well, you guys heard it here, trust building exercises with RP Productions and Miss RP Productions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Julia, any final last words?
Drive a Hellcat.
No power, no car.
No power, no car. Dodge knows how to build a car.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they kind of know what they're doing. So tune in next time where we're going to let Miss RP autocross a Hellcat, because what could go wrong there? Sounds like fun. But thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see y'all in the next one.
Take it easy.